Can you speak a little bit about that? जो एक भाव का एक रोल प्ले होता है in the process of making food?
एक इंडिपेंडेंस का प्रतीक है कुकिंग, एक सेल्फ एस्टीम का प्रतीक है कुकिंग। कुकिंग में बहुत शिद्दत है, बहुत पावर है। एक रेस्टोरेंट को मंदिर की तरह रखते हैं, जैसे मंदिर है आपका ये।
How do you keep your palate fresh?
इसलिए आपने एक ही काम किया पूरे जन्म में। द स्मेल आई कैन टेल यू कि ये सेम नहीं बना, इसमें डिफरेंस है, कुछ रेसिपी चेंज हुई है शेफ की। बहुत सालों की आपकी तपस्या ही है। तपस्या इज द राइट वर्ड। माय सिस्टर was the reason I got into spirituality and bhakti and everything. That was a dark time of my life, and she said that, you know, God is the only one you look up to. इतनी पेन के बाद, गुजरने के बाद मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि एक पर्पस होना चाहिए था मेरे पास एक बड़ा। There will be times when everything will be taken away from you, even your pride. Even your pride will be taken away from you. You'll be shattered and you'll be made to feel less. Level पे different levels आते रहेंगे। मेरा वो टूटना बहुत ज़रूरी था। And how do you come back? Manifest that success. खुशी circumstantial नहीं है, बहुत पीस है मुझे शांति है, बहुत ज़्यादा शांति। मेरा मन शांत है। जैसे सब कुछ छीन लिया गया बहुत बार, एक बार नहीं, बहुत बार। मैं तभी यहाँ पे बैठा।
अभी ये मेरा unreleased song है, I'll be releasing it after my first debut.
Sing it.
सच्चाई की तलाश में अब खुद को खोजता हूँ, आवारा हूँ मैं, खुद को पाने निकला हूँ। आवारगी, 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 आवारगी।
आज हमारे गेस्ट हैं रिनाउंड मिशेलिन स्टार शेफ विकास खन्ना सर, जिन्हें एक इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे अपना मार्ग बना दिया। एंड इस एपिसोड में विकास खन्ना सर अपनी उस तपस्या के बारे में बात करेंगे जिसने उनको एक वर्ल्ड रिनाउंड मास्टर शेफ बना दिया था। एंड ट्रस्ट मी, ही इज अ मास्टर ऑफ ऑल एंड अबव ऑल, विकास सर he's one of the most beautiful souls I've ever met in my life. In fact, podcast के बाद हम लोग ने we connected so well कि सर ने बोला था, आर्यन क्या तुम चाहते हो कि मैं आपकी लाइफ completely बदल दूँ? And I was like, yeah, sure sir. And he brought me to the side and he introduced me to a song, beautiful song, and touched my heart completely, just gave me goosebumps. तो मैं आपको गारंटी करता हूँ कि आपको शेफ विकास खन्ना की इस पॉडकास्ट में वो साइड दिखेगी जो आपने शायद पहले कभी देखी भी नहीं होगी। So please enjoy this podcast straight out of New York. Hi everyone. Can I ask you for a small favor? 92% of you who watch this channel haven't yet subscribed to it. It would mean the world to us if you could hit that subscribe button, because that only allows our team to help bring to you the guests that you want, and it allows us to share the wisdom with the world. So thank you, and on to the episode.
Chef विकास खन्ना, Under the Tree में आपका स्वागत है।
My pleasure. Honor to be here.
Of course, no, it's truly an honor to have you on the show. हमारी जो podcast की audience है, they're very much interested in spirituality and of course food. So just having you here, it's very special. You know, मैं इस conversation की शुरुआत करना चाहूँगा in regards to spirituality and जो spiritual power होती है food में। एक मैंने Heartful एक post देखा था आपके Facebook पे 2011 पे आई थिंक एक पोस्ट हुआ था जहाँ आपने लिखा था आपके फेसबुक पेज पे कि आपकी नानी ने आपको बोला था कि जो फूड होता है, फूड में एक हायर फॉर्म ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस होता है। आप उसके बारे में थोड़ा एलैबोरेट कर सकते हो, उसके पीछे जो मीनिंग क्या है?
मेरी दादी से मैंने खाना बनाना सीखा था, तो वो शी यूज्ड टू ऑल्सो से कि जो खाना है कि सबसे बड़ा साइकिल ऑफ लाइफ है। द वे वी ऑनर पीपल, द वे वी लव देम, the way we fill up the gaps between us. The food is a bridge. Food is and you know, the unknown is yours when you enter. So we are talking about very small point कि अमृतसर के point से बात कर रहे हैं हम। तो ऐसे कहते हैं एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो हमारे सारे भेदभाव सब मिटा देती है। And her sense of consciousness was amazing because in reference to हरिमंदिर साहिब में जो लंगर है, जो गुरु रामदास जी की is a blessing to all of us, to the world, एक प्रैक्टिकल फॉर्म में दिखाया है कि आप कैसे एक कम्युनिटी को बाइंड कर सकते हैं। You can make people feel wanted.
Yeah.
You can make them feel important. It's equal. Equal की बात मुझे बहुत important लगती है। कॉन्शियसनेस की बात की जाए तो when we make everybody feel equal, that is when you uplift people.
Yeah. अरे बिल्कुल it's an example of it is like मैं recently जगन्नाथ पुरी डाउन गया था अपनी मॉम और सिस्टर के साथ एक साल पहले और वहाँ की जो जब हम लोग वहाँ गए थे जो वहाँ की वाइब्रेशंस और एनर्जी थी आई मीन ओह माय इतना लाइक मैंने आई डोंट थिंक मैं कभी ज़िंदगी में एक्सपेक्ट कर पाता बट जब बिकॉज मैं नेचुरली बचपन से थोड़ा स्केप्टिकल था एंड थोड़ा इट टुक टाइम फॉर मी टू गेट इनटू द स्पिरिचुअल फेज ऑफ माय लाइफ लेकिन वहाँ का जो स्पेशली आई रिमेंबर वहाँ के एक सिनेमन राइस जो इट वाज लाइक इट्स नॉट
कनिका भात.
हाँ जी
It's called कनिका भात.
कन्नी के बाहर से it's
Magical.
it's एक तो
It's
like
healing.
oh you said it yeah it's healing because I don't know how to explain it's like एक तो sense pleasure होता है कि it the second it touches your palate and your tongue that feeling goes but it's like a spiritual sensation as well जहाँ एक like I think एक maybe it's the love or the bhav can you speak a little bit about that जो एक bhav का एक role play होता है in the process of making food
So मुझे लगता है कि जैसे हम बड़े होते हैं
हाँ
we become more we carry more baggage with us. जो खुशी हमको बचपन में है in the security of parents, grandparents, उस it slowly keeps shedding because वहाँ पे प्यार है and then later part of the life starts the word transaction.
transaction लेने देने का
Your boyfriends, your girlfriends, your marriage, your even kids. Majority of it comes as a transaction in your life जो आपके साथ काम करते हैं क्या दोगे तो क्या मिलेगा एक इतना ज़्यादा इंडिया का जो इतना डीप रूटेड है कल्चर उसमें एक ट्रांजैक्शन के की जगह से ना निकाल दिया गया है टू मेक पीपल रियलाइज द पावर ऑफ स्पिरिचुअलिटी
yeah
just having that moment of savoring a prasad in your mouth and seeing the sangat and seeing something is going on beyond transaction तो बहुत कम देखने को मिलता है I think countries like America and all that why they become very bottomless in spirituality is because everything is based on a transaction formula.
yeah that's true
It's like everything is a business. Everything.
तो वो एक selfless का जो that energy of that selflessness it comes into that food and that love
और बहुत ही ऑर्गेनिकली वो ब्लेंड इन है हिंदुस्तान के साथ
नहीं
क्योंकि इतने सालों से प्रथा चल रही आ रही है वो तो बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है उससे कि nobody is trying to make something up for you. It has been done for generations, thousands of years
I know.
of continuity.
No, and especially my family, my mom, my sister, both spiritual and very much into bhakti. Specifically, like they're Krishna devotees. Even for me
My
personally.
sister was also.
Oh, really? No. Even maybe I have a twin sister, Amira. She's she's the reason. Like she's like my backbone in a way. It's like first of all, I'm so sorry for your loss. I know it must have been. I can't imagine losing a sister. I know it must have been hard, but I can feel that bond you must have had with Radhika because I can feel that with my sister. This is thoda sa. It's irreplaceable. Just like a mother relationship with her son is irreplaceable. A sister, it's special. But yeah, the family love that's what I realized later on क्योंकि like बचपन में like life में हम लोग स्कूल में जाते हैं सब लोग बोलते हैं कि करियर करना है पैसे कमाना है materialistic life में करो but later on जब थोड़ा सा self realization होता है then you realize the power of love family and
Non-transactions.
non-transaction
They have a healing power.
they do and it's in जैसे जो भोग लगाने में एक वो एनर्जी और पावर होती है आप थोड़ा उसके बारे में बात कर सकते हो जैसे लाइक व्हेन यू जैसे जब भी मैं बिफोर एवरी मील मैं अपने लड्डू गोपाल को भोग लगाता हूँ तो एंड दैट फीलिंग यू गेट आई रिमेंबर जब 2 साल पहले जब मैंने ये शुरू किया था इन द बिगिनिंग आई वाज स्केप्टिकल बट द वे आई गॉट अटैच्ड टू द गोपाला एंड the way I have a brotherly feeling for him all these things and that through that bhog and through that can you share a little bit about that power thoda sa
I believe in a lot,
yeah
but I was always spiritual in many ways. I know it's a cliche,
yeah
but I was always. But when my sister was the reason I got into spirituality and bhakti and everything. That was a dark time of my life, and she said that God is the only one you look up to. You have faith, and I think that has really helped me bring back. And whatever you're seeing right now, what has happened in my life it was always a way to come back to myself, back to my roots, standing up for myself, my own people. I think I was looking for a bigger purpose
A bigger
आपने
purpose. Okay.
तो मुझे एक बिगर पर्पस यही दिखा. एक बिजनेस है बंगलो. You know, it's a total business. Manhattan में it's a very hard business, the hardest job in the world. But I don't want to make it look like a transaction.
Yeah.
I want it to look like something like which is you receive much more in some way or the other. To be here 24 hours, to be here, to be taking care of your people, to be taking care of their pain, their grief, their loss. And I understand how hard it is for the reservations. I also understand.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
पर मुझे ये भी पता लगा कि एक इतनी पेन के बाद गुजरने के बाद मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि एक पर्पस होना चाहिए था मेरे पास एक बड़ा. What I have to be motivated too, you know.
That purpose you gave a bigger purpose के serve करना लोगों को. And so
Motivated
that-
too.
Yeah. And now you're feeding people with your love, and that's so now it's like through that art and through the culinary arts, you're giving that selfless kind of love to everybody that walks in here. And वही vibration or energy is the reason I personally feel for all your success. I know that of course there is materialistic things here and there that changes, but I think that's the unsaid aspect जो होता है जो हम लोग को दिखता नहीं है, but there's a real thing, manifestation, intentions, purity, energy. थोड़ा सा, can you talk a little bit about that?
So when you dedicate your profession to something which is much bigger than you,
हाँ जी.
and this restaurant would have not been, I would have not done anything if my sister didn't want me to do it. She wanted to un-restaurant myself, and she'll always say कि बहुत हो गया restaurant, बहुत हो गया awards, बहुत हो गया नाम. Community बनानी पड़ेगी तेरे को. शेफ्स खाना बना सकते हैं, रेस्टोरेंट चला सकते हैं, प्रॉफिट भी कमा सकते हैं, एक्सपैंड भी कर सकते हैं, बट कम्युनिटी बनाने के लिए एक और डिफरेंट तरह का जिगरा चाहिए होता. शी थिंक यू हैव इट, डोंट शाई अवे फ्रॉम इट. सो माय थिंग इज अ डिफरेंट एग्जांपल. इट्स नॉट इवन अ कांट बी केस स्टडी बिकॉज इट्स सो डिफरेंट जर्नी व्हाट आई हैड. So I feel कि it's very important for young artists who are seeing this journey and to feel that, you know, of course, there will be times when everything will be taken away from you, even your pride.
Yeah.
Even your pride will be taken away from you. You'll be shattered and you'll be made to feel less. The devils are going to change the levels. That's what I keep saying.
Devils are going to change the levels.
लेवल पे डिफरेंट लेवल्स आते रहेंगे, बट आपसे सब कुछ ले लिया जाएगा. सब कुछ आपको डिस्क्रेडिट कर दिया जाएगा. एक इंसान को नहीं फॉर्मूले में आप फिट होते तो आपको डिस्क्रेडिट कर दिया जाएगा. एंड दैट पर्सन कैन बी इन अ पोजिशन ऑफ प्रिविलेज और पावर.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
और उस बंदे को सब फॉलो करेंगे और यू विल बी टोटली डिस्क्रेडिटेड एंड डिमोरलाइज्ड. एंड हाउ डू यू कम बैक?
From that.
The entire power of an artist is not what they create. You are the artist, you have your art, you hone it. It could be culinary arts, acting, skill, music. It is then after the victory is a mind game.
Yes.
Everything in sports, it's a mind game. Everybody's trained. Who has that mind who does not let you be shattered? Who says, वापस आना पड़ेगा, इससे भी strong होके आना पड़ेगा. My entire life was built on this formula. Thanks to having strong women in my life. But my entire life was built on this. कि वापस आना पड़ेगा. सब चढ़ जाते हैं ऊपर. Everybody can rise.
And that's the thing that people don't talk about in social media. कि जो they say, I think I saw a video, I think Ed Sheeran said this online on a social media post, जहाँ उसने ये what you're saying कि कोई failures के बारे में बात नहीं करता, struggles के बारे में बात नहीं करता. Social media पे वो अपने fake lives या खूबसूरत background के पिक्चर्स ले लेते हैं, stuff like that. But at the end of the day,
बच्चे वो स्क्रीनशॉट 1 सेकंड का है.
हाँ,
दिन में तो 24 घंटे है ना.
24 घंटे.
वो पूरा दिन में नहीं हो रहा.
I know.
What goes on, but you know, but I also feel that sometimes you have to have that, you manifest that, manifest that success.
Yes, yes, yes.
But it's a hard job. It's a hard job, absolutely. Especially when you're watched by so many people.
Yes, yes.
And so many people will make a career choice looking at you. So many people will say, "नहीं, मुझे तो culinary arts जाना." And you are not convincing them. You're also convincing their parents. कि yes, this could be a career choice.
That's true.
This is going to be amazing. You know, this is like being an ambassador of a country.
Yeah.
In some ways. So I feel कि मुश्किल है पर बहुत है.
Yeah, no, that's true. it is even for me personally as an actor and musician. It's definitely like there's a बहुत बड़ी struggle होती है, and there's like just like you said, life में not even for like any profession, हर किसी के life में tragedies होंगी, वो shattering moment आएगा like you said, but it's about that comeback and the mind game like you said. So,
The difference between good and great is only that mind.
right. And like for as like a chef yourself, they say like you've met all these spiritual leaders, His Holiness Dalai Lama, for them the Pope, all these spiritual leaders. Is there कोई एक encounter है कोई spiritual leader के साथ जिस शायद आपके life को कोई positively impact हुआ होगा उससे, ना कोई realization आई होगी?
देखो एक बात बोली थी His Holiness the Dalai Lama ने कि I was going through a very bad phase in 2008 after the economy fell off in this country.
Yes, sir.
And I met him and I was telling him that, I had a catering company, I had a school, and then I also had a restaurant on Times Square. And everything shut down, Domino's की तरह.
Oh, yeah.
तो मैंने उनको बताया जब, तो उन्होंने कहा अच्छा है, अब तो फ्री है, तो आज़ाद है. Find a new mountain. I was at that moment, nothing gave me more hope than that line, you are free now. Because क्या होता है कि हम लोग, the way of work is like you are bound to that work and discipline.
Yeah.
Morning to night you're doing that job. After that closes, instead of being demoralized, you need to realize कि एक और कोई नया दरवाज़ा खुल रहा है आपके लिए बहुत बड़ा उससे. And that gave me the entry into a whole new idea of exploring food beyond India. So I did all the Himalayas. I traveled to Tibet, Nepal, Bhutan, Burma, Ladakh. Matlab India ke hisse hai, Kashmir. And then I did a whole book on this. And I got one of my biggest honors. My James Beard nomination came from that book, which was done during the most broken times. I kept feeling that, yeah, I'm free now.
Free. No, what you just said, मैं इसके साथ इतना relate करता हूँ because जो मैंने अभी ये मेरा unreleased song है, I'll be releasing it after my first debut.
God bless.
But it's a spiritual song मैंने लिखा है, Abaragi, and उसमें एक line है that exactly fits on what you're saying. I'm not going to sing it, but I'll just say it. It's
Sing it.
Okay, fine. I'll sing it a little bit. Yeah, all right.
रात की तन्हाइयों में रास्तों का पता खोजता हूँ मैं खुद को, खुद से ही क्यों जुदा. दिल की गहराइयों में सपने बुनते हैं, जीवन के इस लहर में हम बहकते क्यों हैं. सच्चाई की तलाश में अब खुद को खोजता हूँ, आवारा हूँ मैं, खुद को पाने निकला हूँ. आवारगी, 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 आवारगी.
That's a little verse from the song, and
What sent you my book, Return to the Rivers? It's all about this.
and
I was wandering, I was searching externally, but everything was there. But then I realized that I also made promises. I'm not somebody who's like denouncing his worldly assets and professions and success. And that is where many things changed for me. I had to be practical to figure out what would be my next step. And while finishing this, I was coming back to New York after the पूरा trip खत्म करने के बाद. तो मैं अमृतसर गया. तब तक मेरी दादी माँ जो थे वो 90 साल के प्लस थे. And I feel कि she was forgetting everything. And she asked me, he's saying, तुझे वो मिल गया? I'm like, what? वो जो तूने कहता था कि सिर्फ गोरे शेफ्स को मिलता है. मैंने कहा क्या? कहते वो जो कहता था कि सिर्फ Michelin
dishes like
She didn't remember the award, but she remembered that I had spoken about this and said that this is an award which you only have Caucasian chefs in Kumil.
So your nani was able to witness that.
Dadi.
Or Dadi off. Nice.
And I was so heartbroken at that time क्योंकि मैं वही बोल के गया था अमेरिका कि मैं जीत के दिखाऊंगा आपको. So मैंने वापस France से फिर I worked there a little bit and then I came back to New York, set the team together, 2 years I didn't look left or right, nothing. और 2011 में मुझे मिला था. And मुझे लगा कि बहुत ज़रूरी था वो, बहुत ज़रूरी था. मेरा वो टूटना बहुत ज़रूरी था. And all the people who broke me down so badly and dragged me into dirt.
Oh, the friend groups and all that, and sometimes the people that you thought were closest to you, वही उस जब कोई इंसान गिरता है तब असलियत पता चलती है.
Or that you see who's celebrating.
No.
And you see, you had अगर मेरे जैसा career है इस extreme level के ups and downs, so you can easily filter it out.
Yeah, that's very important. Because like I realize
And it's visible. Everybody's around you. वो दिख रहा है कि कौन खुश हो रहा.
कौन खुश हो रहा है, and that's what I experienced like with my जब मैं NYU में study कर रहा था, and even after NYU जो like you have to बहुत careful होना पड़ता है because especially in the entertainment industry, and not only that कि जो friend groups हैं like बाहर से शायद मतलब मीठा बोलेंगे and like they'll say yes to it, but वही कि सिर्फ happy moments में साथ रहेंगे, but जब कोई low point आएगा वो side हो जाएंगे. तो like that's what you kind of realize कि like who's like actually ride or die, and that's something irreplaceable जो family होती है for me, and जो family के guidance होती है, it's like it's irreplaceable. I think to that
Healing part of life.
feeling part of life. Yes, no, definitely. And okay, so yeah, for next I wanted to talk to you about energy. This is like जैसे for example like kitchen के अंदर जब कोई restaurant में आप कोई dish serve कर रहे हो, या even if अगर कोई घर पे आप अपने family के लिए food बना रहे हो, a certain energy goes in that kitchen. For example, जैसे अगर मैं एक भजन गा रहा हूँ, let's say I'm singing the Hanuman Chalisa and chanting it, and उसके बाद we have a feast and we do bhog to our gods or something, that energy that goes into that versus अगर कोई anxiety में खाना बना रहा है, do you think that जो result food में आता है, taste का, it can affect it, or the vibrations that one consumes when eating?
बहुत फर्क पड़ता. As humans, we understand the energy around us. We feel, are we welcomed or not?
Yeah.
Are we a part of it? Are they doing this for us? ये बहुत ही एक important energy है इंसान के लिए. खासकर pandemic के बाद we realized something which was very dormant. मतलब almost वो सो गई थी वो हमारी energy, intuition की, क्योंकि everything gets numbered. अब तो सही किसी कुछ याद भी नहीं रहता हमको एक बहुत ही चीज़ एक awaken की है वो कि we have become very intuitive post pandemic, conscious of our being here.
That's true.
I know it's temporary, everybody move back, but I see that in restaurants that when somebody's serving you, when somebody's because that's one of the main reasons that my kitchen counter of Expedition is outside in the dining room.
Yeah, I noticed. Yes, it has.
कभी नहीं करता था मैं, never used to come out.
Okay.
पर मुझे लगा कि वो जो है ना कि वो एनर्जी में कैसे ट्रांसमिट करूं, जिस एनर्जी के साथ जो उसकी फाउंडेशन है, जो गहराई में रेस्टोरेंट की है, दैट इमोशन वो कैसे मैं ट्रांसमिट करूं लोगों तक.
Oh, that's true. That's true. Yeah. And that's through love, and that's you can feel in that food. Like I can personally like जब कोई माँ का खाना खाता है, like कहते हैं वो माँ का जब आलू का पराठा कोई beat नहीं कर सकता. What is the reason behind that? वो भाव, वो love, and you know, and वो energy, and especially nowadays it's like हम लोग का Indian culture, not only like music and all that in Bollywood, but the food इतना popular हो रहा है throughout the world. इसमें how does it feel for you? I mean, every single American person, हर गोरा को पता है butter chicken क्या होता है, chicken tikka masala, whatever it is, and the garlic naan, all these dishes, and makhni dal, they're like making reviews on it. How does it feel as a proud Indian chef? Like,
well, you know, मैं तो transition के बीच में खड़ा था ना, तो I can see the things कि when there was no engagement for Indian food.
I know.
वो engagement नहीं, हम रेस्टोरेंट खोल के पैसे लगा के बैठ के सेविंग्स लगा दी, सब कुछ कर दिया, सब बैठे हुए कि और आपको बेसिक नहीं बताना आ रहा कि कैसे समझाओ कि खाना है क्या.
Exactly.
See, America is also very distant from India. America is more Europe centric, and then Asia में China centric हुआ ये because of so many Chinese people, awareness आई. India बहुत दूर है यहाँ से as compared to what it is to UK and everything. I feel कि यहाँ पे success is 10 times more hard.
हाँ, that's true. Yeah.
10 गुना ज़्यादा मुश्किल है यहाँ पे success. मैं कहता हूँ.
That's I can. It's many both competitive, and it's like नहीं, I definitely agree with you. It's not easy. Hard work की ज़रूरत होती है, but more than that, वो all that passion and that faith that you have in what you believe in. Like, you know, it's like doing something, just it's not just about putting in the time and hours, but that passion and belief you have towards it, वो बहुत एक बड़ा difference बनाता है personally. Let's see. Oh, I wanted to share the story with you because so this is like 20 साल पहले की बात है, but हम लोग स्विट्जरलैंड में थे, मैं अपनी मॉम और फैमिली के साथ, and हम लोग ट्रेन में थे, and we met Mr. Sanjeev Kapoor, and in the train हम लोग बात कर रहे थे आराम से, joking around, and we went to the hotel, and मेरी mom joke around कर रही थी, he's like, okay, now हम लोग संजीव कपूर से मिल गए, now we don't have to worry about food, and he was like, yeah, now I'm here, don't worry about it. He was very, very nice, and then we had like this wonderful conversation about what to eat and everything, and हम लोग बोल रहे थे Indian खाना खाता है, and he's like, no, I'm interested in Asian food and stuff like that. But he was such a nice person to talk to, just that positive energy, just like from youths coming. आप अपना थोड़ा experience share कर सकते हो about your relationship with Mr. Kapoor?
तो संजीव जी के साथ ही मेरी शुरुआत हुई है, उनकी वजह से ही शुरुआत हुई मेरी, क्योंकि बहुत मुश्किल था एक इंडियन शेफ़ के लिए, इंडियन बच्चे के लिए, मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से, to convince your parents this is your choice of profession.
So I can't imagine.
उस टाइम पे
can relate.
नहीं, छोटे शहरों में मैंने तो कोई नहीं देखा था, कोई anybody would choose like me.
Oh, that's even. I was born here, so I am already. I'm so privileged that we have, but come India and then migrating here, and then
I feel I'm more privileged.
Because of the values and the culture, or
No, resistance is what creates your success.
yeah,
When all the doors are open, you don't care. You can just walk in anytime you want.
that's true.
And everything is locked, and you have to knock down the buildings and doors and create pathways. That has been my biggest asset.
That's true, because if you don't go through things and become resilient, then how will you be able to handle जो भी आप future में handle
यहाँ पे तो
करते
हाथ
हो?
में मिल जाता सब कुछ.
That's true.
The wars I fought to be here,
Yes.
only I know. I know mom knows some, like 20% of it. But my sister knew the most, that the wars I fought to be here, position to be here. From everything from the beginning of my life, I've been a rebel of choices.
Wow.
I did not care about it at all, what people would say.
शुरुआत से बचपन से
बिल्कुल. I was born with some disability, so I was
high self-esteem that you knew what
self-esteem तो मेरे में
Like-
confidence भी नहीं था, self-esteem भी नहीं थी. मेरी माँ में और मेरी बहन में बहुत ज़्यादा self-esteem थी मेरे को लेके.
they were like your back. They were very
I know, I
वो
share that.
they believed in you, like they knew के, and they were yeah.
कि इसका once he gets dedicated towards something, he's going to find a way to get it. I think that's also very strange, because now when you look career choices India में, I think अभी जो इनका डेटा मेरे को कॉलेज ने शेयर किया था, 2 लाख बच्चों ने अप्लाई किया था जॉब्स के लिए, मतलब एडमिशन के लिए कॉलेज में, एंड मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द, मतलब इमेजिन हमारे टाइम पे तो 100 बच्चे अप्लाई करें तो 80 चूज़ हो गए, ये हालत थी.
My God, that's
2 लाख
I mean,
बच्चों ने
that's-
चूज़ किया, उनमें से 100-150 बच्चा चूज़ होगा. And for them to say that, this is the person we want to be walking on this path, ये बहुत बड़ी एक responsibility है, पर उसके साथ honor भी ये बहुत बड़ा है.
honor. As an Indian chef, like क्योंकि हम लोग responsibility की बात कर रहे हैं, because now you're kind of like a representative. Millions of people are looking up to you, not only in India, but so many across the world, all the Indian Americans, all everybody. How does it, what responsibility do you feel you have? This is जब आप सुबह उठते हो, what mindset do you wake up with that you're going to do every day?
सुबह उठो तो पूरी लिस्ट होती है कि हीट लैम्प ख़राब हो चुका है, 2 फ्रिज नहीं चल रहे, एक सूरज की प्रॉब्लम है, एक बार की प्रॉब्लम है, डिलीवरी सुबह 7 बजे आनी है, उसका मैसेज आना है, मेरा नया डिश आ रही है, मेरा फिश चेंज हो रही है, मेरा.
All the yeah.
So I live day by day because I'm into operations.
So you manage you know everything that's happening around it.
That's why it's very rare for chefs like us to do more restaurants. It's like for us, एक restaurant को मंदिर की तरह रखते हैं, जैसे मंदिर है आपका ये.
It's your
And this is the only way I know how to work. From the entrance to till you walk in to get seated to saying goodbye to food in between, everything what happened, I'm involved. And I want to participate. I want to participate because this is a moment for an Indian chef coming from India to connect with the kids who are born here.
Exactly.
First generation, second generation.
Yeah.
This is affecting them. For the first time, they are seeing a representation so pure,
It's
almost sacred.
and it changes everything. I can speak.
And you are endorsed by what 1/3 of the planet says what he is doing is authentic
I'm
Indian.
telling you, one small 5-year-old Indian kid sitting in a table, just seeing you from across the room, it can change everything. I know it changed for me. जब मैं 10 साल का था, 11 साल का था, when I was started singing, I would see all these Indian musicians, and I would look up to them, and I would see all these actors coming to America, doing all these things, working internationally. It changes everything. Because एक motivation बहुत मुश्किल होती है मिलना, because एक अंदर से एक पैशन आनी पड़ती है, बट ड्राइव एंड बहुत ईजिली एट लीस्ट पीपल दैट आर माइनॉरिटीज़, इंडियंस और जो भी कल्चर के हैं, ईजिली हम लोग मेलो डाउन हो जाते हैं. आई मीन जस्ट लाइक यू वर टॉकिंग, अमेरिकन कल्चर में इतना, जैसे यूके में फिर भी दे नो मोर अबाउट इंडियन कल्चर. यहाँ इट्स लाइक, आई रिमेंबर जब मैं स्कूल में था, मेरी मॉम पैक करती थी मखनी, पनीर मखनी, चिकन मखनी फॉर स्कूल, एंड आई वुड ब्रिंग इट. And I remember every Gora bachcha get older, they're like, oh my God, that's like so smelly curry. Oh God, bro, what is that? And everything I remember, my घर जाता था, like, Mama, ये look मजाक क्यों आ रहा है? इतना strong, beautiful smell, kasuri methi, all of this, it's like fumes going in. They said, Mom used to tell me, Aryan, they don't understand your culture, so don't lose hope. That means you have a duty. कि अगर awareness कम आ रही है हम लोग की culture की, then that means through whatever way possible you should spread that. But that's what I want to do with music. Agar mere paas ek skill hai or something, I mix it with Indian culture. I spread Indian culture. This Hispanic music or Hispanic culture spread for US mein, and people know about that the same way, just like you're doing with your food. So it's I think it's very special, definitely. This I really wanted to talk about. So आपके हिसाब से कितना important है एक लाइक करंट जो जेंजी पॉपुलेशन है, हम लोग के बहुत सारे व्यूअर्स थोड़ी देयर लाइक टीनेजर्स, तो कुकिंग स्किल्स होना, नॉट फॉर वुमेन बट इवन फॉर द यंग गाइज ओवर देयर. बिकॉज मेरी मॉम ने मुझे, मैं 1.5 years जब इंडिया में था, I would every day she would bring me to the kitchen, सारी सब्जियाँ, भिंडी, आलू, गोभी मसाला, chicken, all the stuff she taught me. What do you believe कितना important है थोड़ा सा like learning how to cook?
Survival instinct भी है, एक comforting instinct है, एक independence का प्रतीक है cooking, एक self esteem का प्रतीक है cooking. Cooking में बहुत शिद्दत है, बहुत power है. सबको आनी चाहिए.
आप कितने साल के थे जब आपने कुकिंग शुरू किया?
मेरा एक्सेप्शन है, because you know I got into business. I started making money. I was 13 out of food.
Oh my God, wow.
तो मेरा अलग है.
But they say जो passion for the culinary arts वो teenager years में.
मैं तो कुछ भी नहीं और किया हुआ.
So
40 साल तो हो गए मेरे को यही करते हुए. 40 साल से कर रहा हूँ मैं. I'm doing the same thing.
That's crazy.
So people say, oh my God, you made this in 5 minutes. I said, no, 40 years in 5 minutes. So it's different. I feel everybody should be independent, to answer your question. And everybody should be able to feed themselves and feed the people they love. And in food बहुत ज़रूरी है, बहुत. और आज हम बहुत conscious society में हैं जहाँ पे if we want to stay healthy, we need to know what we are consuming.
Exactly. Nutrition is up.
There's
awareness.
So many traps here, everywhere.
That's what I wanted to talk to you about, because like कितना important है like knowing के क्या आप खा रहे हो, जैसे like the nutrition that's part of it, because a lot of fast food, especially American का culture तो इंडिया में भी आ गया. I was like shocked. Chili's वहाँ है, every single restaurant you see here in America, there's popping over there, Cinnabon, everything. So this आपका क्या perspective है fast food culture के बारे में?
I don't know. There's no way escaping it.
Yeah, वो तो है, हाँ.
No way.
So this
American marketing will get your mind.
That's true. I remember, I think I saw a video जहाँ उन्होंने ये भी बोला था, I don't know if I'm wrong, you must know more, but कि ये जो breakfast is the most important meal of the day, ये भी एक American PR agenda था, that they did this in the commercials to kind of convince people so they can start buying cereals and stuff like that or so. I think I saw a video or something. I don't know if it's true, but I saw something like that. Is it true or?
Very much true. They will guide us in a way that, you know, एक time था कि कोक की ad में दिखाता था कि कितनी prestige है कोक पीना.
Oh yeah.
And the whole world was falling for the trap. And this was legal in America to show that time.
Yeah.
The corporations are going to find a way to get into our kids' minds और उनको बोला जाए, उनको convince किया जाएगा हमारे बच्चों को subtly कि ये खाना is making you chic, it's making you amazing.
Yes,
you're a cool kid now because you're only eating burgers and pizza, that's your favorite choices. they're getting ready for the next market so that their consumerism doesn't drop.
That's why the commercial, yeah, exactly. And that's true. That's true.
Especially जब आप छोटे से बच्चे कहीं पे भी जाओ तो favorite pizza है मेरा यहाँ बर्गर.
Yes. That's
And it's all been created. Those happy meals have been created around it.
yeah. नहीं, true. And क्योंकि हम लोग nutrition और food के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, like आपके thoughts क्या हैं about like fasting in general? Like they say lots of intermittent fasting and stuff like that.
I do
Intermittent fasting or okay, how does
तो
that
मेरे प्रोफेशन में वर्क नहीं करती क्योंकि अभी मैं किचन में जाऊंगा तो मेरा टेस्ट मुझे पता ही नहीं है मैं कितना खाना शुरू कर दूंगा. मुझे मेरा कोई हिसाब ही नहीं हो सकता.
Yeah.
कोई कंप्लेंट आई तो मेरे को तो खाना है पूरा का पूरा देख के व्हाट हैपेंड. What happened if they didn't like it? You know, restaurants like this with limited menu, every dish has to be on the verge of almost like perfect.
So आप
कोशिश
daily test करते हो the taste.
24 घंटे.
तो how do you keep your palate fresh? जैसे जो how
बहुत ट्रेनिंग है बच्चे मेरी.
okay. Does it make a difference कि आप क्या like this also क्या what type of fluids and what you consume as well like over
बहुत फर्क
okay.
मेरे बहुत सालों की.
हाँ yes.
तो इसलिए आपने एक ही काम किया पूरे जन्म में.
That's-
एक ही काम किया.
Oh.
With the smell I can tell you कि ये सेम नहीं बना. इसमें डिफरेंस है. कुछ रेसिपी चेंज हुई है शेफ की.
Oh my god. Yeah.
जस्ट टू द स्मेल. लुक तो बहुत दूर की बात होती है मेरे लिए.
No, that's true.
इट्स बहुत सालों की आपकी तपस्या ही है. तपस्या इज द राइट वर्ड.
No. Tapasya, that's true. It's a meditation. It's a that's true. Work is worship, basically.
Absolutely.
Anyway, and it's yeah, like even for me, जब मैं whether it's music, acting, जब मैं when I'm part of that, it's work is worship. It's like just like you said, like एक ये जो आपका restaurant है, you treat it as a temple. आपके लिए एक temple होता है. वही energy से आप पूरा अपना काम करते हो. And same with me, I realized that अगर if आप कोई काम कर रहे हो, that you have to have that faith in yourself, in the mission of what you're doing. You're feeding people with love. You're spreading love throughout every single person that comes here in the restaurant and sits here. So that itself, it's very, very, very beautiful. You know, so it's something I think. I'm very happy कि like बहुत सारे जो भी audience है वो इससे inspire होंगे because I know personally because of social media जो भी content होता है negative भी spread हो सकता है positive भी spread हो सकता है but I've seen a bunch of your reels on Instagram and it's the fact कि वो spread हो रहा है share हो रहा है throughout the world. It makes me feel so proud as an Indian. That's really really amazing as well. Let's see. एक मैं rapid fire एक round just to end it. I would love to do a rapid fire round. So that's a few questions if you're fine with that. So here we go. आपके 3 favorite dishes क्या हैं?
चेंज करते रहते हैं but I love मेथी आलू. I love ananas menaske. That's a pineapple curry in the restaurant.
Okay.
And I love the way we do nihari in this restaurant. It's possibly the best you're going to eat outside.
I have to. I'm gonna come next. Like, I can't believe मैं अभी तक आया नहीं हूँ because I was in India for some time, but now I'm finally back. I can't wait to taste it. Now, आपके हिसाब से the best advice that you ever received in your life?
Be honest with the craft. Be honest. It's a very tough thing to say because हम एक दूसरे देश में रहते हैं जहाँ के हम नहीं है. पर मेरे जैसे आर्टिस्ट अपने देश के कोई इतनी बड़ी चीज़ represent कर रहे हैं. And when I meet kids like yourself जो आते हैं यहाँ पे जो यहाँ first generation वो कहते हैं this is the first time we are seeing an authentic Indian artist perform.
It's
बिल्कुल performance सामने है. तो वो तभी possible है if you're very true to the craft. Because इनके होता है कि वाइट वॉशिंग की कोई बॉटम नहीं रहती. गोरों को खुश करने के चक्कर में खाना बदलते रहो.
नहीं.
यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने कोशिश किया था एज अ कमिटमेंट टू दिस कि द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट द जर्नी ऑफ culinary journey of India at Bungalow, you'll start feeling कि you are in your grandmother's house or you are in a restaurant in India कि वैसे ही सर्व होगा सब कुछ. छोटी डिटेल्स होती हैं उसमें, नॉट कमिंग ऑन योर फेस, पर आपको लगेगा हाँ बिल्कुल. To get validation from elderly Indians, this could be an important moment for the family. Exactly. Somebody celebrating the 90th birthday, 84th birthday, 85th birthday. This is the market. Nobody targets that market. That only can happen if you're honest and sacred to the craft.
Wow. So beautifully said. Honest and sacred to the craft. That's the truth.
Little tune in. वो frequency होती है एक true art की. वो सबको नहीं समझ आएगी. बहुत लोग मुझे डिस्मिस करेंगे इस कंट्री में. मुझे बहुत प्रूव करना अभी. बहुत लोग
And the best part is-
जिनके पास वो रेफरेंस ही नहीं है. अब ये नहीं, यहाँ पे के लोग खाने, oh my god, this is my grandmother's food. And जो वाइट क्रिटिक, वो जो क्रिटिक आया जो अपने आप को समझता है मैं ही जज करूँगा इंडियन क्यूजीन को, मेरे हिसाब से होनी चाहिए. हाउ कैन दे चेंज द फूड? इट हैज़ टू बी व्हाट आई लाइक. आई हैव टू, एवरी क्यूजीन शुड बी अकॉर्डिंग कस्टम मेड फॉर मी.
Yeah.
But what if the cuisine has evolved over centuries and centuries?
बिल्कुल.
How do you represent that?
Yeah.
You,
वो
the Western world has taught us everything. How to speak English में बात करें,
हाँ बिल्कुल.
how to use the technology, how to do everything. But at least खाना कैसे खाते हैं वो भी. But at least हमारा खाना तो हमें जो सदियों से चलती आ रही हैं प्रथाएं इतनी बड़ी बड़ी कल्चरली, वो संस्कृति तो होनी चाहिए. That can only happen with the one line. Your frequency to the art is so close to back to the native country.
हाँ मतलब you're connected to your मतलब roots के साथ जुड़े हुए हो.
Totally.
That's I'm really like whoever's watching this video, I'm sure this will touch their hearts. What you just said, I swear I got goosebumps right now. It's because this is where it's like हम लोग इतने dilute हो रहे हैं because of social media and stuff, where it's like कोई भी influencer बन रहा है to the end, they're not focusing on that what you just said, कि the honesty, the authenticity to the craft, that frequency, कि आप actually you're connected to the roots, to what it means, कि not just बाहर से करने के लिए. And that only happens when you have that attitude like you have, because change makers बहुत कम होता है. It's hard to make a change.
Every cuisine is not
Yeah.
ready to please the French
हाँ,
dining styles. That's why the reason exists. Everybody has a different dining style. We need to appreciate that instead of everybody saying French dining style में सब कुछ होना चाहिए. नहीं होना चाहिए.
exactly.
नहीं होना चाहिए.
Every little like even the art of eating with your hand, okay, like
Everything.
it's
Utensil use, the course wise, the family style नहीं होना चाहिए. Everything कोई tasting menu में होना चाहिए. नहीं होता हमारी country में.
exactly
We come from a country where even one dal is, the pleasure of that dining is sharing that dal.
exactly. And it annoys me so much जब मैं देखता हूँ कि international people that जो समझते नहीं हम लोग के culture के बोलते हैं, oh ये लोग हाथ से क्यों खा रहे हैं? It's so disgusting. Oh, like Americans don't have हाथ से burger, हाथ से hot dog. I mean, like it's like that's where it comes that only someone who will stick to his roots and do that, they will.
More people join you.
More people join you.
More, I see that what happens every night at Bungalow. It's more people say that this is the true craft which we've inherited.
Yes.
And how do you continue that legacy of traditions?
It's the only way to maintain that authenticity and that truth, and that frequency has to be intact. बिल्कुल. Okay. आपके top 3 role models कौन है लाइफ के?
मेरे फिक्स्ड हैं बिल्कुल. हर रेस्टोरेंट जो मेरा खुलता है, हर बिजनेस खुलता है, मुझे 3 लोगों की वैलिडेशन चाहिए होती है.
Okay.
BK, SK, SRK. BK is my mama, Bindu Khanna.
Okay.
SK, Sanjeev Kapoor. और SRK, the world knows.
Yes.
मुझे वो 3 मेरी वैलिडेशंस होती हैं. 3 ही होती हैं हमेशा.
Beautiful.
They have to feel that I need a nod from them, or they have to visit my place, and that's what makes it complete.
Oh my God, so beautiful. Man, I relate to it definitely. Okay, choose one. Money or fame, या contentment or peace?
Depend करता है किस phase of life में आप हो.
Okay.
This is my last restaurant.
Oh, okay.
I understand both the sides of having this level of fame and money, and I also understand the contentment of doing your job right.
बिल्कुल.
Not what the Western world wants you to do something which is right for 1/3 of the planet.
बिल्कुल.
वो contentment है मेरी. तो उसके लिए सब कुछ involved है. सब कुछ involved है. जैसे money involved है, fame involved है, contentment involved है. Why can't we have all? You don't have to denounce the world.
Exactly, because that's what
You
a lot
can have
of people
people feel कि इतना इस लेवल पे पीस नहीं होगा. बहुत पीस है मुझे शांति है, बहुत ज़्यादा शांति. मेरा मन शांत है. मेरी मम्मा से DNA आया मेरे को. I just have a request of somebody's 94th birthday tonight. मेरे लिए मेरा मन शांत है सोच के कि मैं किसी की लाइफ का इतना बड़ा मोमेंट सेलिब्रेट कर रहा हूँ फैमिली का, मेरी फैमिली नहीं है पर मैं उसका आज की शाम में उसका एक हिस्सा हूँ, टू मेक दैट इवनिंग इवन मोर ब्यूटिफुल फॉर दैम। तो मुझे बताओ कहाँ पे नेम, फेम, मनी, कंटेंटमेंट सब कुछ इंटरकनेक्टेड है। You need to find something which gives you contentment. Also, if you're fame hungry, it gives you fame if that's the equation of that job profile, and money to keep you safe.
तो बेसिकली अब जब when you look back के 10 साल 20 साल पहले जो भी आपने अब तक अचीव करा है, तो अभी आप वैल्यू करते हो मोर दैट कंटेंटमेंट दैट यू हैव, दैट पीस, या यू वैल्यू मोर ऑफ द मनी एंड फेम? लाइक लेट्स जस्ट से कि अगर एक चीज़ आपसे छीन लिया जाए,
वैसे सब कुछ छीन लिया गया बहुत बार, एक बार नहीं, बहुत बार। मैं तभी यहाँ पे बैठा।
नहीं, makes sense, definitely.
I had to do things which had never been done in my generations to have a holding like this, and I value it, and I treasure it, and I honor it, and I work hard for it every single day.
And you don't forget it. You don't forget that realization के how much.
मुझे पता है what it means to people when they're coming in. इनको 8-9 महीने के बाद रिजर्वेशन मिल रही है, when they come in they see you in the kitchen. मुझे पता है उनके लिए वो मोमेंट का मतलब क्या है, मेरे को पता है। बट आई हैव टू स्टिल बी कि फर्स्ट टाइम मैं सुन रहा हूँ ये कि ये इतना इम्पोर्टेंट है उनके लिए। आपका रिएक्शन उससे भी इम्पोर्टेंट है। दैट कम्स व्हेन यू आर एट पीस विद योरसेल्फ। दैट कैन ओनली हैपन लाइक दैट।
That's true. Peace with yourself. That's the one thing what we're going after. And like you said, because आजकल spirituality में, like, you don't have to denounce. Denouncing is not being spiritual. एक life of a monk, that's for different, अगर आपकी life ऐसी है, then that's different. But अगर आप spiritual बनना चाहते हो, that doesn't mean you denounce your life and go to the hills or something. That's not at all true.
You can be a yogi in your profession.
Exactly. It's about living that aspect of that yogi life, that meditative life in your current life. चाहे आप घर पे हो, साधना कर रहे हो बेड में बैठ के, या आप रेस्टोरेंट में हो खा रहे हो, उस मोमेंट में every चाय सिप हो चाय का।
People who are not happy and never gonna be happy. This is what I've figured out. इनको जो नहीं खुशी circumstantial नहीं है, खुशी behavior है, circumstances पे नहीं है। आप जो लोग दुखी हैं वो दुखी ही रहेंगे, सब कुछ आ जाए तभी वो दुखी हैं।
खुशी circumstantial नहीं है। Exactly. That's
we blame our circumstances around us way too much. It's also your way of dealing with it, which is like, okay, fine, मैं समझ रहा हूँ गलत चल रहा है मेरा टाइम, but I need to find a way to, again, everything is come back. How do I come back? How do I find myself in this position? जो तूने गाना गाया same to same है। मैं ढूंढ किसको रहा हूँ?
I know, मतलब like it's like I'm trying to look for some fulfillment and the truth, but then you realize कि सच्चाई खुद नहीं है, and that self-contentment जब
तू झूम, I think that's the greatest song coming from Southeast Asia. तू झूम, I haven't heard that one yet. That's from where you said? Pakistan. I have to listen to it. I think in the last.
Jhoom by Ali Zafar. No.
तू झूm.
I'll listen to it.
That's the only song which made sense to me.
Okay.
In few decades. मैंने कुछ नहीं सुना था।
Who's it by?
Abida Praveen.
Wow, I'll listen to it.
I have nothing crushed me.
Really?
Because when my sister was in the hospital, that was a song we used to play on loop. And the writing, that song, that moments they created, and of course the legends. But कुछ decades में मैंने ऐसा गाना नहीं सुना, काफी decades में, कि जो आपकी रूह को एकदम हिला दे कि what is going on.
Oh, now after this I'm gonna.
तू झूम, when you're broken,
I'll listen to it.
उसमें एक लाइन है, जो है तेरा लब जाएगा करके कोई बहाना, तेरे बस विच कुछ भी नहीं दिल नो मैं समझावा, तू झूम।
That's Punjabi, right? Yeah. Last rapid fire question. At this point of your life, अगर आप एक milestone सोचोगे that अभी तक आप achieve करना चाहते हो, वो क्या होगा?
I have a lot of people who trusted me with Bungalow.
Mm-hmm.
Starting from Jimmy, Arafat, Bhai, Shaila, Bhabhi, my little Maisha, Samir, Davina, Jay, my kitchen team. I just hope that I make them proud with this vision.
No.
There are about 2 billion people who are trusting you to hold their culture in your hand and to represent that. It's a daily job. It is not easy by any circumstances. आप बीमार हो, and in the last almost 1 year, I've only taken 2 days off.
Oh my God! Only 2 days off for the whole year.
And I'm 53, and people say I'm like, and I'm like,
that shows eating well makes you fit and young. That's good.
Papa's genes.
That's good.
And I feel that there is so much unachieved even now. I just want to make them proud of trusting, a nation trusting you with their culture.
No.
अभी बहुत कुछ achieve करने वाला.
No, achieve and the effect you're going to have on the world. That's what I'm seeing as a consumer. It's inspirational. It's inspiring me as well. So, thank you so much, Vikas sir. Thank you so much, Chef Vikas Arora, for being here. Aaj ki conversation mein, being a part of it. It's truly an honor. And
I hope mine too.
There's one thing I wanted to ask you. अगर एक आपके कोई भी upcoming projects हैं that you're working on right now, अगर आप बोलना चाहोगे audience को जो देख रहे हैं अभी?
इस टाइम पे तो बंगलो ही है.
Okay.
मेरी एक बहुत बड़ी फीचर फिल्म आ रही है अगले साल called Imaginary Rain.
No way. Okay.
With Shabana Azmi and A.R. Rahman, Pratik Babbar. Wow. It's about a failed chef in New York and how she goes to India to find her redemption, her freedom.
Wow.
It's almost like you are following Shabana Azmi for years to document her journey as a failed chef in New York.
Oh my God, that's beautiful.
And how India, and the last day of her journey at Golden Temple, she finds all her answers.
It's in production right now? Or?
It's finished. The movie's done.
That's nice.
And
oh my God, beautiful.
कहते हैं ना, Inshallah, coming 2025.
Oh my God, touch wood. And एक last message, especially one demand from the audience, easiest way reservations करने के लिए for the restaurants, because I'm telling you the amount of DMs I'm getting, people are very much, because I told everybody came out जो आपके साथ podcast कर रहे हैं, तो people are very excited. Reservations के लिए easiest way, so we don't have to wait half a year.
रेजी खुलती है हमारी 11 बजे हर रोज.
हाँ जी.
20 days in advance reservation होती है.
20 days in advance, okay.
And generally मैं तो नहीं बुक कर पाया आज तक. आज 9 महीने होने मैं तो नहीं बुक कर पाया. मुझे तो समझ नहीं आता तो जल्दी हाथ कैसे चलता है.
And
that's the only way. It's a moment of Indian restaurant to beat every restaurant system of reservations in a country. This just shows when you're true to your craft.
Yes.
When you're not pleasing individual cultures, but you're actually giving a tribute to the culture where it belongs to.
From your heart, yes.
So finally Indian food has come home. That's what I said.
Oh, yes, 110%. And one last message for the audience, anything that they can take away from that you would, any advice, guidance for other young entrepreneurs, young chefs, जो भी आपको देख के inspire हो रहे होंगे?
मेरे एक टीचर थे बहुत अच्छे. उन्होंने कहा था कि विकास बस एक बात याद रखना, हर रेस 1 मीटर की होती है. किसी की बात मत सुनना जो बोलेगा कि 100 मीटर की रेस है, ये 500 मीटर की रेस है, ये मैराथन है. हर रेस 1 मीटर की है, वो लास्ट फिनिशिंग लाइन की. एंड दैट कैन ओनली बी वन विद योर पावर ऑफ द माइंड. रेस्ट 99 मीटर्स तो आप ट्रेन कर रहे हो. विक्ट्री इज दैट लास्ट लैप. वो उसके लिए आपको माइंड स्ट्रांग चाहिए. वे वी नीड टू शट डाउन द नॉइज. वी नीड टू शट डाउन एवरीथिंग हु स्टूड टू यू, टू bury you, to burn you, to destroy you. Shut it down, because the last is about conviction and your connection to your mind and to your soul. मैं तो हर चीज़ उसी बेस पे लेता हूँ. From writing books to making movies to running restaurants to doing television shows. That counts. That last effort counts. That comes from attitude. It doesn't even come from your training.
beautifully said. For everybody watching, what he just said, it's so true. It's about that last final step. So it's truly an honor. Thank you so much.
Likewise,
for coming in.
Bajay, all the very best to you. Pleasure to see you. Thank you.